Hey everybody, and welcome. Today I am here just south of Nashville, Tennessee, in a city called Murfreesboro, just along Interstate 24. And right on the other side of the road, they are building the third and the largest buc-ees here in the state of Tennessee. Now, we brought you guys coverage of the first buc-ees that was built in Crossville on opening day. And we have also created many videos of the buc-ees in Sevierville, Tennessee, which is currently the largest in the United States at 74,000 square feet. They are building a new buc-ees in Luling, Texas, that is going to be 75,000 square feet, but the buc-ees that's going to be right across the road from me right now is going to be 76,245 square feet, coming in as the largest buc-ees, not only in Tennessee, but the largest buc-ees up to date in the United States. Now, this buc-ees is going to be very convenient for people traveling not only through Nashville along I-24 through Chattanooga. It's also going to be very convenient for people traveling on I-65 and also I-40. In fact, if you're going from Memphis to Knoxville or vice versa, traveling I-40, you can actually take the 840 outer belt, and very conveniently, you're just a few miles up the road from where this buc-ees is going to be located. Now, behind me is the active construction for this buc-ees, and I'm going to leave you guys with some of that active construction, but rest assured, we will be here on opening day at the third buc-ees here in the state of Tennessee, and the largest buc-ees in the United States once it is complete. The estimated completion time will be in late 2024 to early 2025. Initial date said it would be open on Labor Day weekend of 2024, but more recent reports are showing a more precise opening date of likely early 2025. And we will be here at the opening of the new buc-ees, the third buc-ees and the largest buc-ees in the state of Tennessee, in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, just south of Nashville.